Summertime is usually a very busy travel season, but of course, there's nothing usual about this year given the pandemic we're all living through. But we decided to take a few mini trips within our own country of Canada and take as many precautions as possible when getting on a flight. This is a compilation of the 3 flights we've taken during the pandemic to Western Canada. Hey guys, so we're on our way to Calgary, Alberta. So actually, you know when you can enter the airport with like someone who's dropping you off? Actually, you can't do that anymore. Upon entry, they ask you for your boarding pass. So anyone who doesn't have a boarding pass can't actually go into the airport anymore. We've never seen so many hand sanitizers anywhere than what we've seen at the airport now. Before you go up to the kiosk to check in, there are airport employees that ask you to use a hand sanitizer before entering the check-in area. And if you check in online, you have the option for touch-free bag check from some of the airlines. So now we're going to go through security. We have to use hand sanitizer again, and then go through temperature check, temperature screening. So a few changes since we were here about a month ago. They were using these little thermometers for, to test your temperature. And now they have this huge computer screening thing that you stand in front of, and then it takes your temperature.
While inside the terminal, suitable face coverings must be.
I just saw a couple of passengers just pass, and they had on the mask as well as the face shield, and they had on plastic over their clothes. I didn't want to record them because, I think I'm good enough with my mask and my hand sanitizer and my wipes. I did see also a vending machine that had all masks in it. I never thought I'd see the day where we're at an airport and there's a mask vending machine. Sign of the times. So the flight attendants have this covering over their uniforms, and they have gloves on and their masks, of course. Some of them have on those visors, so well protected. Okay, Keenan? And of course, he's gonna have to keep his mask on for the whole trip. Okay, so I'm gonna wipe things down, and then we're gonna get ready to go. So in the bedding pack that they gave us, there was this bedding that you can put over the seat. So we've done that here. We got some wipes, so I'm just gonna wipe things down as well. Okay, and I'm gonna wipe down. So besides bringing 5 reusable masks each and a few disposable ones, I also brought a lot of wipes. Since it's hard to find disinfectant wipes anywhere, I bought a Costco-sized box of baby wipes and I doused them with 99% rubbing alcohol. This will do the trick. Alright, I just wanted to show you what was in the Clean Care kit that we now get. So we get water, this is hand sanitizer, we got some wipes, headphones, pretzels, we got some gloves, and they give us a mask as well. So they're not serving any food. People in business class are going to get a box lunch, but we've already eaten, so we're good. We were nervous to eat on the first flight, so we pretty much just watched movies. By the second flight, we graduated to eating the lunch on the flight that I had prepared from home. And then by the third flight, we actually ate the box lunch offered to us. It's all wrapped up. So there's a wrap here. We have a nice salad with the shrimp in there, and a bun, some olive oil, and some creme brulee. So I'm going to try to get some sleep and try to sleep in this mask.
So we just landed in Victoria and we're about to go get our luggage. The flight was interesting. Everybody had to wear a mask the whole flight. We didn't take off our mask the whole flight. So we're going to try to get some fresh air. And, yeah, we're going to go get the car now and get out of here.
All right. Now that's too cute. Don't move with me. I'm social distancing. Okay guys, so we got all of our luggage and we got our minivan, and I brought some rubber gloves and some disinfectant wipes, and so I did an extra cleaning in the minivan because we're going to be in here for 3 hours on our way to Mount Washington. We always stay in an Airbnb when we travel, and to date we haven't had any issues where cleaning was concerned, but we just wanted to make sure that we were extra cautious during the pandemic. Hey Kayna.
Hello.
What you doing?
Just cleaning everything off.
Awesome. Awesome. We're sanitizing. It's a very clean place, but we're just making sure, you know. Malachi's here.
We're disinfecting again. The
Again.
place is really clean though. It's very, very clean.
Yes, it is.
Doesn't hurt to double check.
Yeah, be extra cautious. As for food, we're not ready to eat out yet, so... Yes, I'm bringing a food bag. So these are all my ice packs. And because we're not going to be buying food out at all. We will stop at the grocery store and get a few things from Patty's. The food that we brought worked out really well for us, especially because we went on a lot of hikes. So I was able to pack lunches for us, and then we were able to find a place to sit down and eat.
After trekking a couple of miles through the old forest, we decided to take our time, eat a snack. So right now we decided to take a lunch. So here we are, eating some patties.
Eating some patties all the way from Toronto. Travel as we know it might not go back to normal for a very long time, but by taking some precautions and doing some planning, we certainly made the best of our summer despite the pandemic. And enjoying the great outdoors was like a breath of fresh air for all of us. Thanks so much for watching.